Alrighty guys, Sinister Carny Carousel coming to you here on Halloween night, October 31st, and we just want to say, obviously we're coming to the close of the Halloween season here. This has been our first season out on the YouTube scene, doing reviews, getting to see a whole bunch of different haunts, and it's really been a great time. You know, we kind of put this together a little bit late considering everything. We started out probably like July with coming up with the ideas. Really was born out of trying to come up with some tips and tricks, and then we moved into this. I was potentially thinking of acting again. We weren't sure what was going on, and we found this, and it's really been a joy to get to bring this to you. It's the first Halloween season that both of us have really truly enjoyed in the last probably 10 plus years, because we've been acting. And not that that's not fun, but you don't get to experience all the other fun things. And not only that, but the channel has allowed us to move to or go see different haunts that we probably never would have even known about or seen before. Markoff's comes to mind, Valley of Fear, just some other really cool ones, again, that we really didn't know existed, or maybe just wouldn't have thought about going to. So it's been an absolute pleasure bringing it to you. We're gonna have some more videos that are coming out just from how much film we have after this, so you'll see those coming out. But we just wanted to kind of close out the season here, and thank everybody who has subscribed, and hopefully that you guys keep commenting on the videos, keep subscribing, and we'll be able to keep bringing you videos about once a week throughout the year, and we'll make it to next Halloween season and bring you even more haunts. Matt, how did you feel about the season?
Yeah, I mean, like you said, just a chance to really celebrate the season with all the different things. We were really focused before, but everything from these home haunts to these, huge extravagant haunts at faraway places. I really loved it. It's just a shame the season's so short. So hopefully we'll keep bringing you, content. Hopefully you can continue celebrate and haunt with us through the whole year here, and make it go for a few more seasons.
Yeah. I really hope so. Like I said, it's been a lot of fun. We absolutely love Halloween. We've also gotten to meet a lot of people that just really enjoy Halloween, and it's cool to share those stories. And I know when you see the videos, it gets a little annoying with the plugs of subscribe and comment and things like that, but it truly does help. When we look at going to different places, that's things that they look at. How many subscribers do you have? Who's looking at your videos, and whether or not we get to go out to those. And it's actually helped us get to a bunch of ones this year, and hopefully we continue to get more subscribers. We'll get invited to some new places. I think currently, as we're shooting this, we're right around 85. So if you guys can help us out, we really want to get to 100 here. Our goal was to get to 100 by the end of the season. So we're close there. It would be really great if you could do that, and we appreciate it. And leave a comment, interact with us. We like talking to everybody and hearing your stories. But other than that, we'll bring out a couple more videos, and we'll stay tuned for what we have in the off season, and we'll bring you back some more Halloween stuff next year.
Yeah. Now I just have a question for you. So one goal was get to 100. The other goal was to get Jeff a clown girl girlfriend. If you had to choose one or the other, Jeff, which would it be? Be honest.
Sorry, Matt. The channel's going away. Yeah, both of us failed our goal there. No vampire girl, no clown girl. But nope. We saw a bunch and we interacted with a bunch. So that was enough for us to have that fun. Yeah, but next year we'll bring it to you. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your Halloween season. We hope you all had fun, and we'll catch you in the next video.